Understanding mouse movement, an essential guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, mouse movement. This is a common term in the digital world, and understanding it can greatly enhance your comprehension of modern technology-related conversations. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase. Mouse movement refers to the action of moving a computer mouse, a handheld device, to control the cursor on a computer screen. It's a basic, yet vital part of interacting with computers. When you move the mouse on your desk, the cursor moves correspondingly on the screen, allowing you to select, drag, and drop items. There are several types of mouse movements. 1. Pointing, moving the cursor to a specific location on the screen. 2. Clicking, pressing and releasing a mouse button to select or activate an item. 3. Dragging, holding down a mouse button while moving the mouse to move items on the screen. 4. Scrolling, using the mouse wheel or a touchpad gesture to move up and down within documents or web pages. Understanding mouse movement is crucial for navigating through computer interfaces, selecting and managing files efficiently, browsing the internet and interacting with web pages, gaming, where precise mouse movements are often necessary. While primarily a technical term, mouse movement can also be used metaphorically in everyday language. For example, someone might say, "Keep an eye on your mouse movements," implying that one should be careful with their actions or decisions, especially in digital contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of mouse movement. It's a simple yet fundamental aspect of using computers and navigating the digital world. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to get hands-on experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.